Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison. Today, we're diving into the wild world of 3D printing, pitting the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro against the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Will Neptune make a splash, or will Ender end up on top? Stick around to find out. First up, let's talk about the price. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro comes in at $249, while the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is slightly cheaper at $219. Now, with those savings, you can buy 30 packs of ramen noodles or, a couple of decent filament spools. Your call. Speed demons, listen up. The Ender 3 V3 SE boasts a blazing 250 millimeters per second. That's like your printer on an espresso shot. The Neptune 3 Pro, while quieter than a librarian in a soundproof booth, doesn't disclose its speed, leaving us to assume it's not breaking any records. So if you're in a hurry, Ender might just be your new best friend. Extruder time. The Neptune 3 Pro flexes with its dual-gear direct drive extruder made of stainless steel and boasting a 3:1 reduction ratio. Sounds fancy, right? But the Ender 3 V3 SE isn't backing down, sporting the Sprite full metal dual-gear extruder. It's like the LeBron James of extruders, with over 500,000 units shipped worldwide. So, who's got the better game? You decide. Auto leveling, because who has time to level a bed manually? Neptune 3 Pro uses a high-precision sensor to scan 36 points on the hotbed. It's like having a Roomba for your 3D printer. Meanwhile, Ender 3 V3 SE features CR Touch and a strain sensor for auto leveling and Z offset. It's basically saying, sit back, relax, and let me handle this. Stability is key. Neptune 3 Pro has got dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive for the Z-axis, which sounds like a synchronized swimming team for your printer head. Ender 3 V3 SE counters with dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts made of wear-proof steel. It's like the bouncer at a club. Strong, stable, and not letting any wobble through. Ease of use. Neptune 3 Pro comes pre-assembled, so you can get started quicker than you can say 3D printer. Ender 3 V3 SE, though, claims to go from box to first print in just 20 minutes. It's like the IKEA of 3D printers, minus the Allen wrench and confusing instructions. Filament handling. Because nobody likes a filament fiasco. Neptune 3 Pro pauses printing when it runs out of filament or after a power outage. Ender 3 V3 SE takes it up a notch with auto filament loading and unloading. Just tap extrude or retract and it's like magic. David Copperfield, eat your heart out. When it comes to user experiences, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its performance and ease of assembly, even for beginners. Reviewers appreciate its reliability and high-quality prints, though some mention a learning curve with advanced settings. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is lauded for its print quality and ease of use, making it a great starter printer. However, some users have faced issues with auto-leveling and software, though these are often mitigated with community support and updates. So there you have it, folks. The Neptune 3 Pro and Ender 3 V3 SE, duking it out in the 3D printing arena. Which one will you choose? The silent, precise Neptune or the speedy, reliable Ender? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying decisions. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.